Ah. Here. Guys, tanawa guys. Pusilo na naman guys. Oh no! Here's the control! Nanay control boss.
Kasi pusilon.
Wala pa. Pa. Tara.
Wala. Can you pick up your blaster?
Pick up your blaster na boss. Oh no! What happened? Wala pa. Pa. Kana, tro. Okay, pick up. Tara, basta ka ng mga ilaw. There. Oh, haha. Ayo, sa hutan, maharap yan na. Okay, ma'am. Understood. Okay. Reload. Wala. Bigan ko guys. Tanawa guys, oh. 42,000 ako. Wala pas 20. Ayay ka. Walon manggod ko na gusto. Okay, here. Where's the Calaban? Pacho naman. Where? Okay, roger that.
You're as small as an ant.
Okay, roger that.
Now blast your way to zone.
Where is it? Open.
Wala pa.
10 seconds daw. Tirahin natin to. Kaya mo ba, boss? Kaya mo, boss?
Kaya pa.
Gaya sa kalaban ay. Daghan na mag-score boss eh.
Balik na.
车即将启动。
Oh. Yes, Iron Man is here. Thank you, Iron Man. Thank you for helping us, Kuya Rarite. It's exit now. Ah, pili ko ni Mama.
Yeah.
Pili ko, Kuya. Wala ay. Pili ko ay.
Scott, time to get them back to human size.
Oh, can't we just keep them? They were pretty good in there. They'd be a permanent backup.
Yeah, or back up down.
Yes.